big bag of Jillian.
Let's see what's inside the big bag of Jillian.
Do you want to see?
Yeah!
My makeup bag. It's a little heavy. You want to see what's inside my makeup bag?
Ooh, yeah.
Prepare for the zoom. Bag! It's straight. Why do I have a
Why do you have a...
What? This is a curly...
a phone charger.
This hairspray.
That's the exact same hairspray as me.
We have some Kahlua. These are knits because it's winter peg and it's cold out. There's a wallet. High School Musical, baby. Perfume. Oh, this is some lotion. This is a mirror and it says, oh, a broken mirror.
That is my purse. Bunch of... Banana cheese, holy crap. And zoom out. And the video person.
The cameraman.
The camera madame.
Get away from me!
You know what? Fine, be that way.
Excuse me! Turn it off! Oh dear! Get that out of here.
What a rhyme, Jillian, what a rhyme. Are you ready for some fun time?
Dr. Seuss.
Don't forget the used. I don't know. I don't know!
I was like, what is she trying to do?
Rhyme like Mr. Dr. Seuss and the used.
Mr. Dr. Seuss.
Yes, okay. Curly hair can have pretty curly people are cool.
Curly people.
You wrap it around your hair and it curls it. Okay.
What?
Okay. No.